Guys, look at this. Look at the ground if you live in Canada. Like, what is this? It's like yesterday was the first day of fall and it snowed. It's already been snowing for 7 days, for heaven's sakes. So when Kids Baking Championship posted a rainbow cake challenge on Instagram, I jumped for joy because I can bring rainbows into my life. Are you sure it's a timer? Danger, red alert, danger, danger, red alert. I don't have enough cake tins, so you know, I'm improvising and putting it on a silk pad. Meet my beautiful rainbow cakes. I'm putting them in the oven. It's hot. I'm starting to stack my rainbow cake, and I'm starting with purple and then blue. Yeah. So I'm gonna take some blue frosting and I am going to pop it on top of my purple layer. Now I'm crumb coating with a crumb coat to cover up all the crumbs, because as you can see, it is quite a crummy cake. So, the top cake turned out a little smaller than I anticipated and a little bit rock hard, so we'll work with it. So I made some Italian meringue and colored half of it blue and half of it gray, but we'll use that later. And I have the blue one here, and instead of using my giant offset spatula for this teeny tiny little cake, I'm going to use a smaller flat spatula. This is so annoying. My turntable like shakes the entire table. This is a little shorty cake, so I'm trying to use the meringue, to give it some stilts and make it a little taller. Well, I guess it's quite a bit of frosting, but it's a little taller now. You can't really tell from the back. Now I'm going in with my stormy gray clouds, once again trying to make it a little bit taller. I have been busy, but my sister's not here to film and be the cameraman, so I made meringues out of the extra Italian meringue buttercream, and I put a big bad storm cloud here. Oh, so many how it shakes. And then a little white, cute little cloud on the happy side. And I also made some sugar cookies, one in the shape of a sun and one in the shape of a big cloud, so that I can put the Kids Baking Championship letters on there. And then I also made some little sunflower seeds coated in blue food coloring, and those are going to act as my raindrops. And the big fluffy storm cloud is going to go on top of some of the raindrops, and I'm just going to put them falling down from the big cloud. What the heck is wrong with these little tiny seeds? Wait, you're going to go onto the cake. You are going to stay onto the cake. Whew, finally, yes. Oh, I've been working on that one for like 10 minutes. I love the word bulbousness, don't you? I'm using the frosting to create some bulbousness. Do you see the bulbousness? Since this is a challenge, you have to follow the rules. And the rules for this challenge are, you have to write KBC somewhere on the cake. So this is my practice cloud, and now I'm going to do it on my real cloud. Oh, this is the really stressful part. I have to put the sun in. Oh, it's so scary. Ooh, stop spinning. Mom, stop making the noise. How do you think that looks, guys? Does it look nice? There have been several deaths today. Several sunflower seeds have been punished in my stomach. Okay, well, bye I guess. Hope you enjoyed this video. What do you do with snow? Throw snowballs.